after the launch of DCP party, and it wanted a lot of githagathaga guku in the political scene. Nituronire William Ruto na batoni yake magathi gukorwo magicambia kiama kia DCP guku makiuga ati kiu ni kiama very tribal, people are forming parties in tribal lines na maundu macio mothe. Do you think DCP is tribal party kuringana na the outfit that we saw they announced ya atongoria a kiama kia DCP? To begin with, Anthony Adoige, he has tried to select people from all over the country, na koguo the issue of whether that chama is tribal or not is an issue that is neither here nor there. Turona kinya Faru Kibet akiarĩrĩria uhoro uyu na machungu mengi muno, and this shows how this is causing a lot of panic in the KK's government. Hadorona ginya omubunge kiama no DCP mararĩrĩria. And ira nituronire Rigathi Gachagua kuria OBINNA show live na rakorwo akirekereria cai muingi muno. 3 hours interview with OBINNA show live at the Wamunyoro residence. Highlights the interview no we ugiuga ni iriku. I think nturonire Rigathi Gachagua agethi na mbere na gukorwo akihithuria maundu maria mahapenaga between him and William Ruto. Undu wa mbere augire ati what made him trust William Ruto na ginya aigire gutuika deputy president wake hatari kadarathi kana agreement o yothe. Augire ati William Ruto okaga gwake akarira maithori na akarigwo mundu wa miaka 58 akirira uguo ati ni arateswo ni Uhuru. Onawe ndungiaga kumwitikia.
The guy would even come here and cry tears. Yeah. I'm telling you. Machozi hivi. Machozi.
Hapa kwa nyumba.
Yeah, when you see a grown-up man crying, you feel for him.
About what?
He was, you know, I was a great friend of Uhuru Kenyatta.
That is one of the reasons that made Gachagua trust William Ruto without any written agreement. And after that, arugate William Ruto turned to be a very different person. After that, kuonate reu ginya neugite ati ndari uragaga andu. Right now he is participating in those activities. They had a very big and good plan of the bottom-up economic model, which was a scam. Arauga ati thaici William Ruto akinyete handu ginya neagurire bengi iria akorwo akiiga mbeca iria aiyete kuma kuri a Kenya.
The whole housing levy is about creating sufficient money. And you know that money? Because there is no capacity to absorb it, it's kept in a bank that the president bought when he became president.
Huh?
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Yes.
We bought a bank?
He bought a bank. That's where the money goes.
Like local bank?
Yeah, local bank.
Which bank?
I don't want to say the name. Do your research. I'll tell you off camera, then you can go and do your research.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So there's a bank that has been bought to keep all this money in cash?
Yeah, that's where the money goes. And it's actually taking all businesses from Equity, from Cooperative Bank, from all other banks have lost money from government to this particular bank that the president bought through some process.
So Equity and Cooperative Bank are not in the
They are not.
the elimination game?
They are not.
So we are remaining with...
All government money now for prostitutes, state corporations, they are kept in that particular bank that the president bought.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Why are our taxes so high, though?
To keep the president going. He needs to travel to China. He needs to get money through a niece. People must pay for that money. He's not going to get it from his pocket.
What a level of impunity. Turonire Rigathi Gachagua akiarĩrĩria atongoria a Mount Kenya, most of who are allied to William Ruto. Andũ ta Kimani Ichung'wa, Kithure Kindiki, akiuga ati those are sycophants and they are flower girls. Tirita rĩa mbere tukiona akiuga ũguo. We have seen him say that several times kuma rĩrĩa akorirwo akihagũrwo. Ena machungu mengi muno kuona ati those are the same leaders aria ma participate gukorwo makimuhagura, na koguo arauga ati those are the people who are selling Kenya. A 3-hour interview kuria kwa OBINNA show with tea after tea after tea after tea. Ni ũbatiĩ ũthĩ ũwĩrorere interview ĩyo nĩ njũĩ nĩ ũkuma na 1 2 3 things there, but what I learned from that interview is betrayal in politics is a normal game. Ndiyo maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this.